Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm sure some of you might have the same issue as me. You have a ton of spare parts, but don't want to carry everything to your local tournament venue. And most likely, you'll only need some of the more viable parts for your combos, whether you decide to swap them out if tournament rules allow, or if you need to replace worn or loose parts. So I decided to design a 3D printed storage case myself. The 3D printed case is done. Let's have a look. The case has a satisfyingly sturdy lock clip. I've added a locking mechanism to secure your blade in place, preventing it from falling out. I also designed a dedicated slot to store your elevate bit in place. The case can also store about 7 other bits. Unfortunately, this case cannot fit disc ball bits. As for rubber axle bits, you can still store them, but they'll block to 3 adjacent bit holes. You can store any ratchet from 60 to 80 height easily on this case. If you want to, you can also stack another blade in the case. There you have it. I hope you like this case and find it useful as well. If you are keen in getting one, check out the link in the video description, and I see you in the next one.